Good morning, friends. Mrs. Anna's back, and today I'm going to read you a book, and it's called The Bear Snores On. And bear in Luceño is hunwa. Hunwa. That's how you say bear in Luceño. So we're going to read a book about a bear. So let's see. In a cave in the woods is a deep, dark lair. Through the long cold winter sleeps a great big brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse pitter patter pat, tiptoe, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snore. The mouse squeaks, too dark, so he lights weed twigs with the small heart spark. He starts a fire in the cave with the bear sleeping. Oh no! The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. The mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, mouse," says hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. And guess who's over there snoring on? Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burns. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I brought honey nuts," badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble, and they munch, with a chew and a chomp, and a big crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then wren and raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm!" Twitters round, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Oh no! And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. "You snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Eep, eep. Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blistering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. He slept through all the party, and then he was so sad because they didn't include him. But then they got to make popcorn and tea for the bear, And then all his friends fell asleep and he was wide awake. Thank you for joining Mrs. Ana for the story, my friends. I will see you all later. Bye, friends.